Hi friends, today I'm showing you this Emer Present 3-in-1 magnetic travel chess set. It's a portable chess with storage pack and can be used by kids and adults. So here I'm just opening and see what's inside the package. So we can see this is a really nice fabric cover on the top of it, and this is the chess box. So it's a 3-in-1. That means it have a chess, it have checkers and a backgammon. So here are all the three things which is in this box. You can see it's a really nice plastic box, and all these counts are inside it, like the white ones, black ones, and for the backgammon. So these are like the magnetic in the bottom and then plastic material. The board itself is 10.5 by 10.5 inches. And it's easy to clean with a damp cloth. So I can show you one of those pics. Like you can see the magnet on the bottom and it will stick on the board, so when you're playing it will not fall. So this is good for like travel, and it's very portable that you can carry it easily. You can see it's a portable size, small size, and it's easy to take anywhere. And the good quality is you can see like the print on the top is really nice, and the magnet stick well. There's no issue with that. And then once you are done, then you can just take all these things, put it in this box, store it, close it, put it in the fabric cloth, and then you can take it away. So it's pretty easy and good, and you can clean it with a damp cloth. So it's all fun and is portable chess set or 3-in-1 set. This is the size of the board and the pegs. This is the total 3-in-1 game, so total 3 combination.